Kahit kailan, pwede ka magsimula, maganda man o pangit ang takbo ng ekonomiya.
Go smart. Huwag kang magtayo ng negosyo.
At bumibenta sila naman ng 70,000 pesos per day. Woo! Little or no capital. As in, no capital. At 12 years old, I started my business in sales. Nagbebenta ako. Diba? Wala akong kapupunan.
Videos that will make you wealthy and debt-free.
Isa ka ba sa mga taong gustong magsimula ng negosyo? Ito lang let me give you a warning. Maraming maling paniniwala when it comes to starting their own business. Kaya naman sa session natin to, we are going to debunk the 5 myths tungkol sa negosyo na dapat mong malaman. Kung kayo ay interesado, you got to watch this video. Hi there, it is Chinkitan, your pambansang wealth coach. Thank you very much for tuning in. I'm so excited and I cannot hide it. Grabe sa session natin na ito. Pag-uusapan po natin ang isa sa common reasons kung bakit mga tao ay takot magnegosyo. At yun nga, dahil sa mga maling paniniwala tungkol dito. That's the reason why I want you to clear your mindset before you start your own business. Or probably you're starting your business already pero it's preventing you from flourishing. Okay, let's start with the 5 business myth. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng myth? Ang myth parang ay kathang isip lang, pero di naman totoo. Dili naman totoo. Di naman tinuudyod. Dili naman tinuudyod, mga kabalo. So, ano po ang myth number 1 sa pag-umpisa ng negosyo? It's the wrong time to start. Alam mo, sa totoo lang there's no perfect time to start. Kung baga ba sa pag-ibig, ito tanungin ko meron bang maling panahon sa pag-ibig? Wala! Kung tinamaan ka kahit na January up to December, hindi mo pwede sabihin,
Dapat December di ako tamaan talaga ng pag-ibig kasi magastos pag December.
hindi ganun yun. Ganun din sa pagnanegosyo. Wala rin. Kahit kailan, pwede ka magsimula, maganda man o pangit ang takbo ng ekonomiya, pwede, bata man o matanda, di ba? You're young or you're old, as long as you have the desire to start one. Alam mo, tulad ng isang kakilala ko, ito lang August po ngayon, syempre ang sabi na,
Go smart. Huwag kang magtayo ng negosyo.
nag-open siya ng business and guess what, mga friendship? Successful, pinilahan, talagang siksik, liglig at umaapaw. At bumibenta sila naman ng 70,000 pesos per day. Woo! Dinumog ng tao. Yan, di ba? Sabi mo, mali ang timing. Number 2 myth. Ay nako, ito. You need a lot of cash to start. Ito rin yan, isang maling paniniwala. Hindi mo kailangan ng maraming pera o malaking pera. Alam mo, there are businesses na pwede mo simulan na with little or no capital. As in, no capital. Sa totoo lang, mga ibang negosyo, laway lang po na. Katulad ko, ever since I was young, 12 years old, I started my business in sales. Nagbebenta ako, di ba? Wala akong kapupunan, di ba? Ang ginagawa ko, nagbebenta ako ng Hanes t-shirt, okay? And then, binibili ko sa Divisoria ng 25, binibenta ko ng 50 pesos. Pinapakita ko yung pictures, wala pa kasing digital nun. Sa mga classmate ko, gusto mo bang tong t-shirt na ito? Order kayo. Down payment, 25 pesos. Pag nag-down sila, kukunin ko na, takbo na ako Divisoria, bibiling ko yung 25, punta na ako sa kanila, bebenta ko 50. Di kumita ko. Anong puhunan ko? Laway. Myth number 3. Nako, you need to graduate first. Ito yung pa rin. Isa pa rin myth yan. Alam mo, starting a business does not require a college diploma. Meron bang mga nagbebenta o let's say negosyante bago ka bumili sa'yo?
Ay, pakita nga ng diploma mo. Graduate ka ba?
In fact, karamihan ng successful entrepreneurs are college dropout. Naka-based willingness to succeed. Alam mo, hindi tayo naiiba, Yours truly never finished college. And I'm not promoting that you should not finish your college. People look at me as a failure, but you know what? I really thank God, After, how many years? Right now, ano po yung nangyari po sa atin? Meron na tayong 14 best-selling books. Tapos, right now, may radio and TV show tayo every Monday to Friday. Mag-budget tayo and every Sunday, Chink Positive. On top of that, I average around 200 speaking engagements per year. And on top of that, we have a good community sa YouTube, Facebook, TikTok. We're numbering almost around 7 to 8 million followers as of right now. Kaya nga ako naniniwala, ang tagumpay ng isang tao hindi nasusukat kung gaano kalaki ang iyong diploma, kung gaano kalaki kang mangarap. Let's go to myth number 4, my friendship. Ito pang iniisip ng tao bago magnegosyo. You need an office space to start. Nako, Ito lang especially sa panahon ngayon, you don't need an office space. Kahit sa bahay lang, pwede na as long as you have all the tools and needs. Like for example, computer, cellphone, good internet connection, kung gusto mong mag-online business. Kung gusto mo naman magbenta ng food, di ba? Meron ka namang kawali, meron ka namang lutuan, di ba? Gamitin mo na kung anong meron ka. And mga friendship, just to give you an information, 12 years na pa kami naka-work from home. Yes, yung mga staff po namin, we have over 50 people in our team. Lahat po sila work from home, mga virtual assistant po sila. So in other words, pwede ka mag-umpisa kahit walang pwesto. Ang kagandahan pa niyan, mababa ang iyong overhead. O, di ba? Maganda. Uy, guys! Are you enjoying our session right now? Kung kayo ay nag-enjoy at the same time nagtututo, please type enjoy. Type enjoy in the comment section. Pero bago tayo pumunta sa myth number 5, ang pinakamahalaga, babatiin muna natin, syempre, si Shorts, no? Si Lani Rose Daniel, subscriber since 2019. Maraming salamat. Si Princess Humayka, okay, Mercado from San Jose del Monte. At si Lick Creative TV, maraming salamat sa iyo. At ito lang, number 5 myth, okay? Pero bago tayo mag number 5, rewind lang tayo. Ano yung 4 myths? Number 1 is what? Mali daw yung time to start, timing down. Number 2, you need a lot of cash. Mali din yun. Number 3, hindi mo kailangan ng college diploma. Number 4, you need an office space. Hindi mo kailangan yan. And number 5, okay, listen. It is a dangerous risk. Ay, nako, delikado yan. At sabihin ko po sa inyo katotohanan, lahat naman ay may risk. But it doesn't mean to say it's dangerous. Bakit? Dangerous yan pag wala kang alam. Pero pag may alam ka, hindi siya dangerous. Agree? Alam mo, ito lang sasabihin ko po sa inyo. Kung gusto nyo talagang matuto, okay, kung gusto nyo talagang matuto, maganda po ang learning experience sa pagsimula ng negosyo. But there are 2 ways for you to learn. Number 1, learn from your own mistakes. Or number 2, learn from other people's mistakes. Kayong tatanungin ko, anong mas maganda? Learn from your own or others' mistakes? Pakitype sa comment section. So marami nagsasabi to sa inyo is learn from other people's mistakes. Do you agree? Kung kayo ay nag-agree, good news po sa inyo. Why? Because I have created a conference that have invited all of the top business people. From the founder of Potato Corner, from the founder of the biggest Shopee and Lazada online seller, nandito na po sa conference na ito. Kung ano yung conference na ito, let's watch this. Together with the Philippines' most successful entrepreneurs in our country, we've created a special webinar that has helped already hundreds of Filipinos to start their own business. Introducing, my friends, Business for Everyone. Inspirasyon at diskarte ng mga successful negosyante. So ano pong malalaman nyo po dito? Number 1, paano mag-umpisa ng negosyo kahit wala kang experience at kahit wala kang kapital. Number 2, learn how to build business even in times of pandemic. Number 3, meron din tayong business accelerator. Sa loob ng 30 araw, pag natutunan nyo po itong sistema na ito, you can start already your business. At sino naman po ang mga successful negosyante? Umpisa na po na natin si RJ Ledesma, si Royal True Orange Boy. Successful serial entrepreneur yan. Diba? Siya may-ari ng Mercado at marami pang mga ibang negosyo. He will teach you how to invest in your entrepreneurial mindset. Pangalawa, kilala nyo ba ang Potato Corner? Siya lang naman po ang founder, no? Si Joe Magsaysay. He will share with us his 10 rules for a successful franchising business. Pangatlo, ikaw ba ay bumibili sa Shopee at Lazada? Isa lang man sa pinakamalaki na seller ng Shopee at Lazada. Walang iba kundi si Steve C. He will teach you naman on how to grow a successful e-commerce business. Grabe naman talaga. Pakinggan nyo po yan. Talagang solid na solid po ang information. And then, at kasama rin natin dito si Yahoo! Si Berwin Mailey. Dating artista pero ngayon, negosyante na. From zero to hero. Kukwento niya sa atin paano siya nagtagumpay sa kanyang pagnenegosyo. At syempre, may nimbitahan din tayong ka-look-alike ko na isang serial entrepreneur. He will teach us how to create multiple sources of income. Walang iba kundi si Ken Chan, isang GMA artist. And last but not the least, yours truly, I will teach you naman on how to start your business with zero to low capital. Alam mo, ang webinar na ito ay punong-puno ng high network speakers. Kaya alam mo, kung tatanungin nyo kung magkano ang value ng session na ito, easily you can charge 10,000 pesos. At hindi lang nagtatapos, may bonus pa. Pag sumali po kayo sa session natin na ito, may bonus topics kami na ibibigay sa inyo. Number 1, Business Bookkeeping 101, how to manage your business and finances, 'di ba? By Lista PH. Number 2, taxation, how to prepare and file your taxes. Ang taxo mo naman magtuturo. Number 3, even sa setup ng logistics and delivery system, si Bulacan Express naman ang magtuturo. As a matter of fact, ang value na itong tatlong session na ito, kung babayaran po natin ay nasa 4,000 pesos. But the good news is this, pag nag-enroll kayo sa session na ito, kasama na ito, we will give this to you as a bonus, no, for free, libre po. At para sa mga taon man nag-iisip, Chinky, wala naman akong produkto na pwedeng ibenta. Gusto rin namin kayong tulungan para mabilis na kayo mag-umpisa. Meron kaming potential franchises and reselling business na pwedeng nyo salihan, from Wise Cleaner, na pwede kayong gumawa ng tinatawag dishwashing liquid, fabric softener, nasa bahay. At the same time, yung tinatawag natin mga skincare. No, skincare po. Again, ituturo namin to sa inyo ng libre. Ang value po nito nasa 2,999. But again, we will give it to you for free. Yes, libre po siya. Teka, sandali lang, Chinky. Sa dami mong sinabi, hindi ko na ma-retain yan. How much is the total investment? Based sa mga speakers pa lang natin, nasa 10,000 na po yung webinar. Diba, yung bonus package natin, nasa 4,000. Yung business franchise directory, at saka, again, 2,999. Ang total value po ng session na ito ay nasa 16,999. But because we want more people, no, to be able to enjoy this experience, so we're offering a special discount of how much? 15,000 pesos na discount. So you can right now enroll and start at 1,999 only. Pero mga friendship, it doesn't end there, ha? Dahil alam kong gusto mo na magsimula ng negosyo at kaya hindi ko na kayo papahirapan pa mag-decide. Diba, 1,999 po ang pinag-uusapan natin. So instead of 1,999, bibigyan ko po kayo ng additional na 1,000 pesos price off. So you only start and register at 999. So you heard it right. For only 999, you can potentially build a multi-million income business. So enroll right now, be your own boss, and ma-achieve mo na ang iyong financial freedom na iyong inaasam. So mga friendship, all you need to do is click on the link below or on top, or just type the word called BFE. Ang BFE, Business for Everyone, in the comment section. If you're watching this from Facebook po, please PM me. PM mo ko and type the word BFE. I-PM nyo po kapag kayo po ay nasa FB. So guys, there you have it. Nako, mga friendship. Marami kayong matunan sa conference na ito. It will change your mindset and it will help you expand and grow your business. So looking forward to see you there, and maraming salamat. At tatandaan, ang pagyaman po ay napag-aaralan. This Chinky Tan saying, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always think positive. Bye. Thank you for watching. If you want to suggest a topic or review that you would like me to discuss on the next video, please do comment below para mabasa po namin. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on our next video. No, naka-base lang ito sa naka-base, and ito nga kaya nga ako naniniwala ang tagumpay ng isang tao hindi Thank you for watching. If you want to keep on growing and to stay inspired, subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified. Always think positive.